Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into another shocking and eye-opening development from the ongoing Russian-Ukraine war. A powerful Ukrainian drone strike has targeted the Rostov Rail Command, a massive installation reportedly valued at around $1.1 billion. This facility was not just an ordinary rail station, it was a central hub for logistics, command operations, and supply lines that kept Russia's military machine moving. In this review we will explore the event in detail and examine it as if we were reviewing a complex machine, breaking it down into aspects like exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and finally drawing a conclusion about what this strike means in the wider war. From the outside, the Rostov Rail Command has always been portrayed as an intimidating structure, built with a blend of utility and imposing design. Its exterior represented Russia's long-standing